3, 2, 1. Happy new home. This property is located in beautiful Bentonville, sitting on over 2 acres, making it the perfect home for 2025. Follow me, let me show you around. Now let me show you the outside first. This 30 by 40 building was installed in 2020, but there's more to see. Let's go. If that wasn't enough, there's an additional building for extra storage. Now let's go inside. Now, let me show you around this 3-bedroom home built in 2016 with over 1,600 square feet living space. Make this your new home for 2025. Give me a call. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.